Okay, today we are going to be installing a new P-trap for our sink. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and loosen these nuts from the P-trap, and just go ahead and should be able to do those by hand. If not, just grab some pliers and they should pop off pretty easy. And something you want to do is make sure you put a towel or a bucket underneath, because likely there's going to be some a little bit of spillage from the water or from the drain or the sink there. So something you want to check is sometimes the pipe will be 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. You just want to make sure that you get the right size pipe that matches up with what you're going to be working with. Put the nut on first, and then you'll slide a washer in on the pipe. It comes with your new P-trap kit. You're putting the new P-trap on, you might have to adjust a little bit and kind of fidget with it, but you just want to make sure that you get it nice and centered. There we go.